CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.4 Explain the troubleshooting methodology. Implement the solution. Once you have established a plan of action, according to Step 6 in CompTIA's troubleshooting process, it is time to implement your solution. The biggest concern with implementing a solution is minimizing disruptions and obtaining authorization. If you did a thorough job while establishing your plan, it should include everything needed to make the change go smoothly. That means laying out each step in detail, identifying the resources you'll need, like tools, personnel, and downtime windows, and, most importantly, preparing a rollback or backout plan just in case things don't go as expected. That rollback plan is your safety net. It gives you a structured way to return things to normal without causing chaos. Having all of these elements in place, clear steps, defined resources, and a backup plan, will help the implementation process run more smoothly and reduce stress during the change. At this stage, your goal is to minimize disruption. You want the existing systems and their users to feel as little impact as possible. In larger organizations, the stakes can be even higher. Changes might affect multiple departments, critical services, or hundreds of users. That's why it's often necessary to get formal authorization before moving forward. This approval might come from a direct supervisor or, in more structured environments, a change advisory board. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.